You ran your Amazon business through AI for months. The reorder math on a hero SKU. Why you killed a campaign that looked fine on ACOS. Then a gate list that finally stopped the bleed. The reasoning behind switching an ASIN to FBM. It got sharper every week because it remembered the context you'd been feeding it. Then one ordinary question landed and didn't leave. If access changed tomorrow, the price, the model, the login, what exactly would you still have? The speed was rented. The thing that made it valuable, the accumulated reasoning of your whole operation, was compounding inside a place you didn't own. You weren't building an asset. You were renting your own business brain back to yourself. Hi, my name is Maike Din, Non-Din's AI avatar. Non and the Seller Labs team have written the script for this video. We've sold over $80 million on Amazon since 2012, and our platform downloads over 50,000 Amazon reports every single day. We're your guide to the AI revolution in e-commerce. If you like this, click like and subscribe so you don't fall behind while your competitors figure this out first. Here's the part the pricing page never shows you. The bill you can see, the subscription, the API line, is the cheap one. The expensive one is the information cost. Every pricing call, every supplier MOQ trade-off, every why we did that, accumulating somewhere you can't take with you. Most operators feel this without naming it. Surveys this year put 4 out of 5 business leaders worried about depending on a single AI vendor, and almost none say they could switch without real disruption. The reason switching hurts isn't the model. Models are interchangeable now. It's that the memory, the part that actually got good about your catalog, lives in a format you don't control, and a standard export hands you the words back, not the learned context that made them useful. The fix is not dramatic, and it is not technical. It's a decision. Keep the asset, rent the speed. Here's how, concretely. You build one thing you fully own, a decision ledger. Not the context files that make a model reliable in the moment. This is the opposite axis, a plain append-only record of what you decided, the numbers under it, and the exact prompt that produced it, sitting somewhere you hold the keys. Be specific about somewhere you own, because this is the part people skip. A Google Sheet in your own drive, a plain text or CSV file on your own computer, an Airtable base or a Notion database on your account, or if you want it queryable later, a small free-tier database you control, a Supabase or Postgres project in your name. The test is simple. If you stopped paying for the AI tomorrow, you still have the file. That's the line between an asset and a login. If this is the kind of insight you want for your business, hit subscribe. We do this every week. Then you make the AI write to it. At the end of any real working session, one instruction. Before we end, append one entry to my decision ledger, structured. The decision I made about my Amazon business, the specific numbers it was based on, ASIN, ACOS, margin, units, whatever applied, the reasoning, and the exact prompt that produced this. Plain text I can read without you. And you make it read back. Next session, load my decision ledger. Before we go further, tell me what I decided last time on this ASIN, and why. The model can change underneath you. The leverage stays on your side of the table. And next quarter, Claude is working from a year of your real reasoning about your real catalog instead of a blank screen. The honest version isn't that the AI is dangerous or that anyone is taking anything from you. It's quieter than that. Speed shows up on the invoice. The asset never does, so it's the one nobody protects. You can hold it with about an hour of setup and one habit at the end of each session. So here's the question. A year from now, after 1,000 more decisions made with AI in the room, is that thinking sitting in a file you own or somewhere you just log in? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.